Hey guys, Dr. Gaiser here with New Body Aesthetics. Today we're going to be talking about skin, specifically aging skin and skin damage and potential treatment options. What causes loose, sagging skin? So I would say the number one factor is age. As we age, our collagen naturally breaks down and the turnover rate is much slower. Another one would be genetic factors, smoking, stress, fluctuations in weight, poor skincare regimen. There's a lot of factors that play into loose, sagging skin that some we're able to control and some we're not. So looking at the aging skin, aging, sagging skin, what allows for that? We talked about collagen. Well, what is collagen? So collagen is a structural component of our entire body, and different places in our body have different types of collagen. And so in the skin, collagen acts as a structural connective tissue, which really strengthens the skin, giving it a lot of resistance. And as you age, the little fibers of collagen tend not to be wound as tight. You don't have as many of them. And so this affects the skin in a negative way. With the Opus, what we're doing is we're triggering controlled energy to that skin to create a very microscopic level of damage, getting that collagen to rebuild itself. The best skin tightening treatment for the individual has to be individualized. And so you look at those factors we just spoke about: smoking, environmental exposures, and you need to prevent those problems. So if you smoke, stop smoking, wearing sunscreen, getting a skincare regimen developed, and then looking into further treatment options. The trend tends to be surgical versus non-surgical. And so today we're going to talk about a really nice non-surgical option for skin tightening and skin resurfacing. And so this is a machine relatively new to the market that uses radiofrequency to develop plasma energy. And what that's going to do is cause controlled damage to the skin. When you're looking at skin resurfacing and tightening, that's really kind of the mainstay of treatment, is controlled skin damage and allow the body to repair itself using its natural mechanism. So the Opus radiofrequency device is a really unique device. What it does is we have a small roller attached to a handle, and it just lightly rolls over the skin. While using radiofrequency energy, that small gap between the roller and the skin generates plasma energy, causing focused damage to the skin, which we can control based on the settings, and then allow the body to repair itself, causing tightening, reconstruction of the collagen fibrils in the skin. So when you look at treatment regimen for Opus, what does it look like? That's kind of the big question we get. Typically we'll do 3 sessions of Opus and allow enough time in between sessions for the skin to heal adequately. So during your first treatment, we'll use the roller head that we spoke about to control the plasma energy discharge to the skin. We'll allow 2 to 4 weeks recovery time. And during this time, what's happening is, on a microscopic level, the collagen fibrils are actually repairing themselves and thickening, giving you a more youthful appearance to your skin. And then we'll do another treatment, allow it to heal appropriately, and then your treatment durations are kind of based on the results you want to get. Opus is kind of unique because a lot of people see results after the first treatment. You'll see softening and lightening of the crepey skin, especially around the eyes, around the mouth. And then the more treatments you receive, the more response you get. But typically patients will have noticeable results after 1 treatment. Opus is unique because it does the skin resurfacing and skin tightening. One of the unique features of this is that the controlled damage will elicit repair that continues for months after treatment. So your body, its repair mechanism is continuing to reconstruct collagen and thicken that extracellular matrix under the skin up to 6 months after treatment. So some common areas that Opus can be performed on, I would say the more common areas would be the face, the chest, the abdomen, lateral hips, and buttocks. It's really good at blending in stretch marks to the natural surface of the skin. So what does the Opus treatment feel like? There is a sensation associated with the plasma discharge as the roller head goes over the skin. And so what we do for our patients receiving treatment is put a topical numbing agent on the skin, so during the actual treatment you won't feel a thing. Why would somebody choose Opus compared to a more traditional skin tightening like a facelift? A big factor would be cost. Another would be downtime, scarring, numbness and tingling of nerve damage with a facelift. So these are big factors that people really need to take into consideration when looking at a skin tightening treatment. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have more questions about Opus, feel free to contact our office or leave a comment below. Subscribe for more aesthetics related content.